Now we'll cover 7 developmental areas on the forehand, all designed to teach the fundamental aspects of the stroke. So the first one is balance. And what we're looking for the children to do is, whether it's square stance or semi-open, is to essentially come down the court, hold their balance until the ball hits the back fence. What we're looking for is that the weight is not on the heel, or not on the outside of the foot, but on the ball of the foot. The heel can be raised off the ground a little bit, that's fine, but check where the weight is on that foot, and also check that we maintain our angles in our knee. When moving to the ball, we want to come heel-toe versus toe first, or closing this off too much as a bracing move. So we're looking to come out with the outside leg, we're looking to come down, we're looking to balance, and with that balance we need a little pivot with the angles maintained. Same with the semi-open stance here, pivot, just like this, maintain our angles. We want to bring our, as we hit, we want to bring our leg up, whether it's the back leg or the inside leg. So the first progression is to hit and to pivot with the ball, or go square stance, and we're designed to basically hold our balance until the ball hits the fence, maintain our angles, maintain our swing right here. We'll do another one of those. So step down the court, balance. I've lost my balance on that one. So I'll show you another good example. Down the court, balance, hold it, and we're in good shape. I can do the same on the outside leg, semi-open. Now, the important thing with the semi-open is where this foot points. What we want the children to do is to step out as much as possible with the foot pointing this way. A little there is fine. We just want to avoid stepping out with our foot forward. Now, the spacing, when and where we put this foot, determines where the direction it points. If I'm not anywhere near the ball, then it's going to point more this way. The more I can step out this way and step back for more of a semi-open stance, the more I'm going to step out. But same thing there, pivot, maintain my angles. That's what I'm looking to do. And work my balance, just like that. Okay? What you'll see a lot of children do is this. They'll come here and they'll do that. And they'll fall off the ball too quickly. We want to work that pivot and do that. So the more advanced progression, I'll do it off the square stance, is to add a hop now. So it's a balance, it's a pivot, and it's a hop. I've lost my balance there, but it's a little bit more advanced in that we're pivoting and we're hopping, so we're putting all of our body weight through that ball. That's what we're looking to do. Now, if we do outside leg, it's the same thing. We want to pivot and we want to hop beyond the ball and work my balance. So if you're working on a soft surface like clay, you can see where they started and where they finished. It wants to be beyond and it wants to be more forward in the court. So that's the first developmental area. It may take weeks, it may take months for the children to be able to learn to control their body, their posture and their balance. That's number one.